Hello world, how are you doing? Oh, I want to give God the glory for making it possible for us to still be alive today. I mean, the whole world is on a lockdown. So, how are you doing in your lockdown? Please remember to play safe, stay safe, whatever you're doing. I love you so much, mostly my followers. Please, also, if you're new to my YouTube, please ensure that you click the subscription button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, don't forget to like my video by giving it a thumbs up. So, beautiful people, it doesn't matter if everybody's locked down. You can still look fresh in your house so that by tomorrow, boom, world is able to get a solution to the coronavirus thing and you come out looking like a ghost. No, DIY pink lip balms is what I'm doing today. Let me take you around my video and show you how I go about my video making a pink lip balm, a permanent pink lip balm that will get your lips looking soft and supple and pink, permanent pink lip balms. So let's so I have my rose pink food coloring, I have my cocoa butter, I have my organic coconut oil, I have my glycerin, I have my mint oil, I have my castor oil, I have my beeswax. So I also have my shea butter. So these are the ingredients I'm going to combine and I'm going to show you how I'm going about it. So I'm going to take some quantity of our shea butter for our pink lip balm. This is the quantity I'm taking because I just want to do a small quantity to show you how it's been done. I'm going to be adding my beeswax, sorry. I'm going to be adding just a tablespoon of my beeswax. That's it. Tablespoon of my beeswax. Add our cocoa butter. I'll be adding also a tablespoon of our cocoa butter. I think I have to make the shea butter a complete 1 tablespoon, so everything goes for just one tablespoon each. So that's it, guys. I'm putting this out to complete like a tablespoon of it. Just not necessarily be so much, you know, the thickness in this stuff. I'm supposed to use a measurement to measure it completely to know the weight, the gram of the oil, but we'll not use that for now. This is what I'm going to be using just to quickly do a quick video to show you guys how you can do your own pink lip balm. Put this on a double boiler to get it dissolved so that we can have a complete oil of this to blend everything together. All right, guys. So guys, this is it. Our double boiling method. There is already water in it and I place the plate inside the water for it to dissolve. So I'll let it sit for some time so that it can dissolve, and I will still have to show you. We continue from there. So guys, look at our shea butter, cocoa butter and beeswax have dissolved. So I'm going to place it for some time. It took like about 5 minutes to get this dissolved. So I'm going to place it here and allow it cool a little bit for us to add other ingredients. So I just give this about 2 minutes or 1 minute to cool off a bit before adding other ingredients. So guys, we'll have to go ahead and add other ingredients. It's more than 2 minutes. I've allowed it sit for like 2 minutes. So I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of my castor oil to our mixture. That's 1 tablespoon of it. Cover this. Also 1 tablespoon of our glycerin. 1 tablespoon of our glycerin. And then our coconut oil. Be adding 1 tablespoon of our coconut oil to this. And then our mint oil. I'm going to add just a few drops of the mint oil. That's 2 drops. 3 drops of it. And then our pink food coloring. I'm going to add just a few drops of it. Add just 2 drops of our pink food coloring. A few drops of it. Then I'll have to stir this properly. Gently, I'm going to do a stir with this. To get everything mixed properly. That's it, guys. So I've given it a little stir, and that's it. So at this point, guys, we just have to quickly put everything into the container before it gets cold. I'm just quickly going to scoop it in here and store them in the freezer. Oh, this is going to waste our time. I'm going to turn everything here so it will be easy to fill them up in a container like this. This is so natural, guys. It's a natural lip balm. It's congealing. It's congealing already. Need to close this up real quick. I'll have to clean it later, but for now, let me do another one. Oops. You can see it's congealing so fast. Properly washed. I sterilized them. I didn't just carry them like that to use. So if you're using your own, you ensure that it's a clean container. So you can see the whole thing is congealing so fast. The more it gets cold, the more it becomes like this. So you have to maintain the temperature and do everything with timing so that you can get what you really need. If you have a small jar, you can put your stuff in there. Also, if you don't have a roll-up container like this, you can just put it in a jar. So guys, you see, Your pink lip balm is ready. All right, let me quickly tidy up this and I'll show you how our pink lip balm looks like. So guys, as you can see, our pink lip balm is ready. I'm going to put it in the freezer and allow it to congeal more than this. It's still warm. Once it's very cold, everything will be as strong as whatever. So you can see balm is ready. This is 100% organic and it is safe for your lips. It moisturizes your lip and make it pinker, looking soft and smooth. Fresh lips. So guys, this is from Asim's Beauty in Nature. To like and share my video. Thank you guys. Here, after making the pink lip balm, this is how it looks like after I allowed it to congeal in the fridge. This is what it looks like. Very yummy, right? You saw all the natural ingredients that I infused into this and got this. You can actually do this to make money. I sell these to my friends. So because of my graciousness and magnanimity, ooh la la, I have decided to show my friends on my YouTube channel, because I decided that 2020 will be my year of skincare product DIYs on my YouTube channel. So this is also the container, the one in the rolling lip balm container, so I can apply it. See, it's that simple. This is it. If you don't want to have it too much on your lips, you could just have a little and it's still going to do the wonders. And also I want to tell you guys that if you want a very good result of this stuff, you have to exfoliate your lips by using a sugar honey scrub. I'm going to show you my own sugar honey scrub in my next video. I'll do it for my followers just to make you can make money from it. You can do it and sell it. It's a simple DIY thing, and it's organic, it's natural. You saw all the natural ingredients that I use, all the cocoa butter, the shea butter, and the castor oil I used in it. These are natural ingredients that will leave your lips looking soft and supple. You can see my lips. You can use it as your lip gloss. You can see it's really very soft, and it's, you know, my skin, my lips is absorbing it, making it feel very soft and succulent. Also here, if you want to use this, the one in a jar, you can just simply apply on it with your hands. I know the guys who prefer this container because it's less stressful. You just need to roll it up normal, like a normal lip gloss, lip balm, sorry. So this is it. I'm gonna add some more. Isn't it looking yummy? Isn't my lips looking yummy? So guys, I'm glad that I was able to do this video today to show you what my pink lip balm looks like. There is beauty in nature. I always tell people, and it's my slogan. So please, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, just take a deep breath and look back on your YouTube. Then click the subscription button to ensure that you have subscribed, and turn on the notification bell just at the same place to get notified each time I post a video. And please don't forget to thumbs up the video. Just thumbs up the video, like my video, and share it to your friends and family. Thank you so much. Love you. Until next time.